Saw a flashy ad for Barbara Deborah Boutique and wondered if the fashion deals are legit. Today we're answering the big question: is this a real clothes store or a risky fake online shop? Let's break it down. So Barbara Deborah Boutique presents itself as an online fashion retailer with stylish apparel and accessories at big discounts. But shopping ads and nice websites don't guarantee trust or delivery. Independent analysis reveals some major concerns. Here's what seems okay at surface. The site uses HTTPS encryption for secure browsing. That protects basic data like logins and checkout info. It looks like the typical online store with product pages and a contact us section, even though these details can be fabricated. But here's why you should be very cautious. Multiple scam analysis tools assign very low trust scores with risk indicators and automatic flags classifying it as high risk and potentially fraudulent. Independent reviewers note lack of real customer reviews, suspiciously low prices, hidden ownership, and minimal transparency. Common warning signs for fake or unreliable online stores. There's no verified social media presence or legitimate brand history, and heavy discount tactics are typical of sites that take money but don't deliver products. So is Barbara Deborah Boutique a real online store? Right now, it's highly untrustworthy and potentially fake. Low trust scores, a young domain, hidden company details, and lack of real reviews suggest you should avoid buying from this site until there's clear verified feedback from real customers. If a fashion site is too good to be true, has no reputation outside its own pages, and uses aggressive discount ads, it's safer to shop elsewhere, especially for expensive items like clothes or accessories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.